delivered to the USA in 2024. This 2000 kVA 3-phase pad-mounted distribution transformers is built to comply with IEEE SDDC 57, 12, 34-2022 and aligns with DOE 2016 energy efficiency regulations. The design features a loop feed system and deadfront access, supporting both safe operation and installation flexibility. It also includes a no-load tap changer with a 2 to 0.5% voltage regulation range with an impedance of 5.75%. No load loss of 1.35 kW and load loss of 16.0 kW. This transformer delivers efficient and stable power conversion for medium voltage distribution systems, designed to meet the demands of today's utility and industrial settings. Our pad-mounted distribution transformers offer a compact low-profile design without compromising on safety or long-term durability.